Hello everyone, this video will talk about testosterone, which is an important hormone for men, playing a crucial role in muscle mass, bone density, and overall well-being. But what happens when your testosterone levels are low? In this video, we'll talk about the signs of low testosterone, the risks associated with it, and most importantly, the ways you can naturally increase your testosterone levels. Low testosterone can manifest itself in a variety of ways, including fatigue, low sex drive, and difficulty gaining muscle mass. Other signs include depression, irritability, and decreased bone density. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to speak with your doctor and get your testosterone levels checked. Low testosterone can lead to a variety of health problems, including osteoporosis, obesity, and even heart disease. It can also lead to depression and anxiety. It's important to address low testosterone as soon as possible to avoid these serious health risks. There are a number of scientifically proven methods to increase your testosterone levels. Exercise is one. Things such as resistance training, in particular, has been shown to boost testosterone levels. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Diet is another key element. Eating a diet rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D can help increase testosterone levels. There are several supplements that have been shown to increase testosterone levels, such as D-aspartic acid, vitamin D, and zinc. While there are many methods that are said to increase testosterone levels, not all of them have been scientifically proven. These include methods such as taking herbal supplements, taking hormone replacement therapy, or taking testosterone supplements. While these methods may work for some people, it's important to understand that they may not be safe or effective for everyone. Always consult your doctor before trying any new treatment method. In conclusion, low testosterone can have a variety of negative effects on your health and well-being. By understanding the signs, risks, and proven methods for increasing testosterone, you can take steps to improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more interesting content.